My name is Richard Giltonen. I'm retired. I live in a place called Tilford and the door's open. I heard about it through friends, really, and it's they said it was a dentistry practice with a different approach, and it sort of looked at the whole body in a natural way rather than just your teeth in the normal dental way, really. And that sort of appealed to me. So I tried it and the results were astounding, really fantastic. I've had a couple of fillings and really a sort of a whole diagnostic look at the mouth from a point of view of, what's going on, how my teeth are and how my general health is. And the results, again, from the times I've been here have been brilliant. My teeth have never, ever been this good. It's fantastic. Well, I found the process to be totally seamless. I mean, from the introduction on the telephone, they're welcome, they're friendly, they're reliable, they get back to you, which is not always the case in dentistry. And then when you arrive here, easy to park, you can park in Waitrose or you can park directly outside. And then the welcome and reception is warm, friendly, it's engaging, it's fun. And that's not something I can say for every dental practice, trust me. And then the dental service itself, especially by Emma, and the hygienists, probably the best I've ever received, without a shadow of a doubt. It's diagnostic, yet it treats the whole body rather than just the mouth. They've improved my dental hygiene so much that in actual fact, I actually don't need any more dental work, which is amazing because I've had a lot of dental work in my mouth. And I would highly, highly recommend this service to just about anyone who has teeth.
I first met Richard with a broken tooth, which I fixed for him. He's continued coming as a regular patient and we love treating him.
You can feel it. When you come into reception, it's so different to any other dental practice. It's an atmosphere of health, well-being, care, and friendliness. And the dental, when you're called to go up here, the Emma comes down. Now, I've never had a dentist come down and say, "Are you free?" But so when you walk out, you can't tell there's a holistic approach because they don't overplay that, but you absolutely know that something wonderful has happened when you leave the door, which is incredible.